Hi, this is Chris from Spreadsheet.com. A quick video showing you all the basic ways you can subtract in Google Sheets. The first way to do it would just be to type it manually, but start with an equal sign, and minus 5, and then just press enter. You can also use a function, equals, typing in minus, opening bracket, clicking the cells with their comma in between, close bracket, press enter. You can also type the numbers manually instead of using cell references as well if you'd like for this one. And you can also use an array formula with the minus. So if we wanted to do all of these in the columns we have, equals, array formula, minus, you manually type the cell references or click and drag, comma in between, close bracket, press enter. And that's it. Thanks for watching.